you old kook. You're watching Galaxy Wars in 3D? All you old cokes are stupid. Shh, quiet. I'm trying to watch the movie. You old coke. Hey, old man. What's up? Nothing, you old coke. Whatever, Pepsi. That was a stupid joke. I don't get it. Because Pepsi is a soda brand. Whatever. So, anyway, why are you all sad? Well, old Coke, Pepsi. Stop calling me a Pepsi. So, anyway, Cokey, why I'm sad is because, why I'm mad, is because they're all watching a stupid movie that's already been in stupid theaters and they're releasing it in 3D. I don't think it's that bad, really. They're just replaying it and coming at your face. Only the screen can imagine what they're seeing right now. Get away from me! Get away from me, digital Chewbacca! Yeah, get back in the screen, you stupid hairy butt! Why are they calling him a hairy butt? It's always bright! The sun's always too bright nowadays, you old Coke. Can you stop that calling me an old Coke? Whatever, Pepsi. Hey, what's that? I don't remember that in the first Galaxy Wars movie. What's this? Yeah, I don't remember this in the first Galaxy Wars movie. Me neither. I don't remember that. It sure does look cool, though. However, it did break through the screen. They're attacking us! Ow, Coke. What are they screaming about? I don't know, but it sure sounds violent. Help me! Get out of here! Oh, sorry, I knocked you guy over. Are you okay? Yes, Sam. Go in the pizza shop, okay? But it's closed. Go to Bob's Candy Shop. But, oh yeah, it's not closed. Zoom! A baby Yeti in the theater. What am I gonna do? I got a trap. All I need is a giant boulder, or a giant box, and my dog Ollie. I know what we could do. So explain this again, you old Coke. Okay, Pepsi. So we push this, or my dog will howl, Ollie. And then the baby Yeti will hear it, and want a snack. So he'll come, chase her down. Can you use the paper cutout? So he'll become running around. And the dog Ollie will run this way. Still running this way. The baby Yeti will come out and go over. And right when it lands on that random instruction paper, we push as far as we can, and it will squish the baby Yeti. And that's how we'll end it. Pretty cool, huh? Good. Ollie, howl! Now I tell you. Oh! Yes, random old Pepsi, we finally made it. We killed the baby Yeti. He's gonna eat our heads out. Say your last words. Your last words. No, you old Coke. Say your last words. Okay, Pepsi. I, Noah, always love living on this earth. And now you betray me. Dog Ollie, you're licking the Yeti. Ollie. Okay, stop licking now. Oh, Ollie, you can go back in the house now. Hey, me, the old coach here. Hey, no, it's me, Noah, and this random old man. Oh, here. I brought the first snowmobile to the city. Yeah! You guys are awesome! This is the first... You guys are awesome. You guys are so awesome. This is the actual first snow in the city. In this city. Celebration! No, that's celebration. Woohoo! I'm going to give you the skateboard. Here, keep my skateboard. Oh, thank you. Sweet. Yeah. Oh, by the way, hey, you viewer out there. Yeah, you. Look at my eyes. I want you to go to the Destroy Jobies for my part 3 video, and type in party, just the word P-A-R-T-Y, yeah, like that, and such, like our party. And yes, just type in party, and you put a bunch of exclamation points filling up the rest of the comment section. I just want you to do this. So, party, and then all the exclamation points you could possibly put on there. Everyone that's watching this, just do that. That's my mission. Well, I'm gonna go skateboarding now. Whee! 10 minutes later. I just realized that this doesn't have the last 2 wheels in it. Oh. I pranked you.